Hey there, I'm Natalie Lucier, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Access Ally to create beautiful, searchable directories of members inside of your membership site, and how you can really style these so that people can update their pictures, change their passwords, and do all kinds of really important things that you might not think about, but are really kind of a big deal when it comes to building your membership site. So these are all done on the Access Ally WordPress plugin, and they integrate with Ontraport, ActiveCampaign, and Infusionsoft. So let me show you what these kind of really cool directories look like. So in our membership site, we've built them out as an accountability section so people can search through, see who the other members are, click on their profiles, and find out more about each other. And you can search through here and see how people have filled out their profile. So for example, if I want to check out Diana here, I could see, okay, what is her information? She has her website, her bio, all kinds of really cool stuff here. And that is what I want you to have inside of your membership site too, so that people can find each other and get the most out of your membership site. Now, the other thing that's cool here is that we have a couple of different filters, and then we also have the ability to search for members. So let's say if I knew that there was somebody here whose name was Jamie, I could go ahead and search, and ta-da, Jamie pops up. So this is great if you have a forum or if you have a section on your website where people can go to a Facebook group and connect with each other, and they wanted to find out more about each other. They could go to your site and search for each other through the member directory. Now, the other half of the member directory piece is under your account and profile. It's really important for people to be able to update what shows up on their profile. So here's how you can change people's photos. They can change their name, their emails, their phone numbers, and even update their passwords without messing up any of the stuff inside of your membership site. And trust me, this is huge. You do not want to be getting emails from people who are trying to change their passwords and it's not working. All of this gets synced with your CRM system. So that's ActiveCampaign, Infusionsoft, or Ontraport, depending on what you're using. And this is a really seamless thing to set up. So I want to show you how easy it is. So first of all, in the user directory side, you'll want to go under Access Ally and User Directory, and you'll see here that we can set up as many new filters as we wanted to here. So here we have basic users and premium users set up, and how it works is on a tag basis. So if you wanted to have people who are in a different tier or people who are in different programs be able to find only other people in that same program, you can go ahead and start typing the different tags that you have in your CRM, and these are all being pulled live from your ActiveCampaign, Infusionsoft, or Ontraport account. So this is huge, and you can of course add as many rules as you wanted here. So people who have a certain tag but who haven't refunded, for example, and the same goes for the other types of directories that you want to create. So once you've done that, you can go under our directory feature here and create as many different directories again as you wanted to. And this is where you can create a simple template. Just use the one that we offer. And if you are more savvy, you can go into the code a little bit more. But this is also where you'll decide how many users will be shown per page and which filters are going to be used. So if you had added more filters, you can show those up here. And these will show up right here in this filter section. So that will change, based on what kind of filters you create. Now let's take a look at how easy it is for people to update their profiles. So I've just created a brand new page. I'm going to click on the Access Ally settings here and then choose Update User Profile. So you can choose if you want people to be able to update their passwords, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit Insert. Now I might also want to let people update their shipping address, their billing address, or their credit card information, but for right now I'll just update billing address and hit Update. So there you have it. We've created a super simple update profile page. People can change their passwords. They can also update their billing information or shipping information depending on what you chose. And all of this is super customizable in terms of look and feel inside of our backend. So here under Access Ally General Settings, you can navigate to Styling and then choose how you want these different profile pages to look like. So if we wanted to change these colors, we've got these set up templates for you to choose from here. But of course, you can also choose the custom option, enter any colors or fonts or anything that you want here. And you can also, if you're more savvy, use the developer option so that you can really customize everything to your heart's content. Now, there is one thing that you might have seen in the shortcode adder, which is the billing and orders section. So all of that is also done quite easily, where people can update their credit cards, add new credit cards on file, and then also see their past orders. And if they have subscriptions, they can either update them, cancel them if you want to allow them to do that or not, and also pay for any outstanding things that they might need to pay for. So this is huge, 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 because all of this is going to save you so much time when it comes to managing your membership site. And all of this is available for Infusionsoft and Ontraport at this moment, because those are the platforms that have payments built in. And again, these pages are set up in a snap. All you have to do is click on the Access Ally button here, and then head over to Update Credit Card Information, insert the shortcode, and hit Update. And that's how you create a super customizable user experience where people can update their profiles, their passwords, their shipping address, add new credit cards on files, make orders happen, and do it all with a beautiful members directory if that's what you want. So I hope you enjoyed this super quick demo of what Access Ally can do for your membership site. And like I said, currently this integrates with ActiveCampaign, Infusionsoft, and Ontraport. And if you want to find out more, head over to accessally.com to check out what other cool features are available to help you make your membership site a bigger success.